When I was young, around 7, 8 years old, I had the panic attack. So I was looking for solution. And then my father was a great meditation teacher. So I thought maybe I should learn meditation from my father. But first I thought, oh, maybe I'm too young to learn meditation. So I discussed with my mom, should I ask to teach my father to me meditation technique or not? And my mom said, yeah, good idea. But I still thought, oh, maybe I'm too young. My father said, oh, you're too young. Or maybe you're stupid. I will not teach you meditation. So I was afraid. So then, one day my father said, you want to learn meditation, right? I said, yes. Who told you? And my father said, your mom did. So my mom asked my father on behalf of me without my permission. But he was so happy. He said, wow, good. You are very young, but you're interested to learn meditation. So you can ask me any question and I will teach you meditation. So the first I learned meditation, which is breathing meditation. Watch breath. One of my first meditation technique. But what I found is very boring. I sit there and watch breath, breathing in, what time? Oh no. Oh, my friends are playing down there, and I can hear their voice laughing. But I was sit there. I thought it's already 15 minutes, but actually 5 minutes only. So I like the idea of meditation, but I don't like the practice of meditation. Feeling very bored. So when I meditate, it is I have good feeling after that. It helps for my panic. But then I cannot meditate too long. So my meditation is on and off, and my panic also up and down, up and down, up and down, like stock market. So that when my panic comes, I try to meditate. So what I do is, so when the panic comes, I say, hello panic, get out. I'm meditating. Breathing. And panic becomes stronger sometimes, louder. So then I was a little bit disappointed, I thought meditation, it helps my panic. But actually not. Then I went back to my father. And I told all this, my experience about the meditation with my father. And my father said, don't say, get out to panic. So you have to welcome the panic. For the meditation, panic doesn't become obstacle for meditation. So panic is okay, not panic is okay. I thought, wow, interesting. So then I changed my style of meditation a little bit. So what I did is I begin to say welcome to my panic. So when panic comes, I was meditating and I say, hello panic, welcome. Much better. So I was very happy. So then eventually what I did is, hello panic, welcome. If I say welcome, then you will not come again, right? So my motivation is to become same thing again. So I learned meditation when I was 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So when I was 13 years old, in India, place called Giggling monastery. So they're going to start traditional 3-year retreat for 3 years. So I asked His Eminence Taisutru Rinpoche, one of my important teacher, to have permission to enter 3-year retreat. But I was a little bit afraid. Maybe he said no, because I'm too young. And I asked my father to ask Taisutru Rinpoche. So Taisutru Rinpoche accepted. Then I can able to join the retreat. So the main point is, if I can able to go into retreat, then my laziness will not come. Because I have this laziness always with me, So then I enter the 3-year retreat. First 1 month, wonderful. Not lazy. I was so happy. 1 month and 1 week, lazy begin to come. After 2 months later, lazy is all over the place. So back to before, my habit is become like same like before. Although we have sessions, but inside session, first a little bit and slowly. Slim. So not only that, now my laziness and my panic, they two become good friends. And now my panic become worse. Then I thought, what should I do? I still have 2 more years to go. That's the first year, beginning of first year. So I have 2 years and 9 months. So I thought, what should I do? Then I remember the teachings from my father, all the other teachers. They told me that don't fight with the panic. Make friends. And panic become support for your meditation. Panic become your teacher. Panic cannot become obstacle for meditation. Why? The essence of meditation is awareness. And awareness is like space. And the panic is like cloud, or the weather in the space. So I heard of that 3-4 weeks before, there's snowstorm, right? Here? So very, very cold, storm, wind. But now, today, wonderful weather, right? I brought good weather. No. So, the snowstorm can change the nature of space or no? Cannot change, right? The space cannot change by good weather, bad weather, blue sky with sun shining, or tornado. You don't have tornado, right? Hurricane? No. Sometime? Snowstorm. This cannot change the nature of space. Space always free, always present, pure, always pure. So the awareness is just like that. And this awareness is behind of all the thought, emotion, perception, feeling. So of course, behind of panic also. Panic is just like snowstorm. 5-6 weeks before, we have snowstorm, right? So I remember all these teachings. So then I decided to say, welcome, really welcome from my heart. to my panic. I thought, okay, from now on, I'm going to learn how to live with my panic. Not try to get rid of, not try to block, not try to fight. So I sat in my room because I cannot join group practice. We have every day 2 hours of group practice. Morning 1 hour, half 1 hour, evening or something like that. So when I join group practice, my panic become worse. So I stay alone in my room and really welcome my panic, stay in awareness. After a few days later, me and my panic become very good friend. I'm feeling kind of like exciting when the panic comes. The symptom is there. So, from here, heart beat jumps faster, boom, 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 and then tight here, get dizzy, sweating, and feeling of like when you're in the aeroplane, then the aeroplane facing the turbulence like this, like that, right? Feeling like that, but it doesn't bother me. Normally, when the before panic is almost going to start, I feel panic. Now is it coming again? What should I do? Meditate, breathing. It doesn't work. Now, hello, okay. Come, welcome. Tight and then, interesting. Awareness still there. Continued awareness, okay. So very interesting feeling. Then I can able to join group practice. That was wonderful. And after a few weeks later, me and my panic become very good friend. Then something happens. Something bad happens. Should I tell you? Bad news? Not the happy ending. It's okay? Bad ending? No problem? So the bad ending is, after a few weeks later, panic says goodbye. Me and my panic become very good friend now. And panic doesn't have good heart, say bye-bye, And panic gone. So I miss my panic. Panic become my teacher, my friend, my support for my meditation. So I learn a lot from my panic, actually. Today I'm here, maybe because of my panic. And I really believe this meditation technique changed my life. So I believe that can change other people's life. So this is why I've been teaching meditation all the time. Not tired. I have passion.